Hello folks, we're at the American Signal Graveyard. We're going to be dumpster diving before we go to the actual graveyard area. There's something of note here. There's a claw thing. And there's an ASC horn, T128 horn over here. It's rusted out, or is that a P50? I'm not too sure. It's stinky over here. Probably some raccoon crapped in it. Or something. Got a T128 over there. That's cool, isn't it? Now here's the whole thing. This thing right here. Got all that. Where the hell is this? Look at that. I got not too sure what this is, but it's a dual tone, P10 or 15. It looks like there's crap in it. Concrete. Got a screamer here. That's an I-force. Why does it have a modulator? Not sure. I got a modulator. Wait, I think those are T128 pulls. You got the airport loader over there. Rip Thomas Diner. Airport loader over there. Wait, this is not a screamer. This is, I think that's like a C something. I'll call it a screamer because when ASC ACA was around, that was called a screamer. Goddamn, there's a P50 back there, or a T135 ACE. Got that clarity. You can see the speaker drivers right there. Got the alerter. No put horn. Back. And you got a T128. If you don't know already, that is actually the intake. And those are the projector horns. I wish this was open though, but you got there's a psych back there, a cyclone, and you got another I-force. Forgot the model of it. Some 135 ACDCs. The airport alert is back there. They got a Hurricane. Just gonna kill. And multiple wheel-ins. Oh, now we got the rare basketball siren. The basketball hoop siren. Another T128. Hey, there's another alerter. Oh, they got T121 horns. And there's an alerter. I wonder where that's from. What else did I got? There's a P50 back there. I got more I got more cyclones, more 135 ACDCs, some T128s behind the car. So much cyclones back there. I wonder what they got over here, if I can see more. I think that's a P15 over there. Can't see more. But you got some controls. There's a pole. I think that's how they installed sirens with this trailer. Look at that. Now we're gonna go to the T128 right over here. It's gonna be a little bit of a walk, but there's some poles. Note, there's some poles. and some poles. 726. It might be the date of this 260. All codes. Just looking around. There is the new T-128, which is inactive because the hurricane is still active. Just down that road. I couldn't go on the property because over there's like private property and that's closed off. City of Milwaukee. Look at that. That's another T-128. I guess I will wrap it up now. See ya.